Hey, it's Austin here with a video on how to do a reverse image search on Google. A reverse image search allows you to search the internet using an image instead of using a typical keyword phrase that you would type into the Google search bar. It's often used to find other instances of the same image used across the internet. You can often find out when and where an image has been used or who used the image first. This technique can also be used to sniff out misleading information or manipulated content that may be found on some social media posts or untrustworthy media organizations. Here's an example of an image that has been used in a misleading or deceptive way. You can see here that it's a combination of two photos. So what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of the entire page and save this controversial photo here, and then we'll search Google Images for instances of this photo being used. Where was it used? Who's using it? To get some more information as to when and where this photo came from. If I take a screenshot of my screen, I can then view that screenshot by tapping on it, and I can resize it to focus in on what I want to use. So I'll go ahead and start zooming in on this particular image after I take the screenshot. Here we go. I'm just going to grab each corner and kind of pinch inwards until the focus is entirely of the photo that I want to use. Okay, so now I'm just going to tap on the Done button on the top left of the screen and save to Photos. Once it's saved to Photos, I'm going to back all the way back to my home screen yet again and open up my web browser app. So I'm going to open up Safari, and looks like I'm already on Google's search engine page, but you just want to go to google.com, and I tapped over on images. So right now I'm searching Google Images instead of Google All. So what I want to do next is probably the most tricky part of this whole process, and it involves tapping, for me, actually tapping on those three little dots. But I'm on an iPad. So what you want to tap on if you're on an iPhone is the big A and the little a. It's right on your search bar. So you just want to tap on the big A and the little a on the left of the search bar if you're on the same part of the website that I'm on now. If you tap on that, you're going to get a drop-down list of options. What you want to look for now is actually searching or using the desktop website version. So you need to tap Request Desktop Website, and that'll pretty much just reload the website as if you were viewing it on a computer instead of a mobile device. And once the website reloads, you want to tap on the little camera icon that's right on the Google search bar. Tapping on that will allow you to actually import an image from your photo gallery. So I'm going to choose Upload an Image, and then there's Choose File. You want to tap on Choose File, and it'll allow you to choose a photo directly from your photo gallery. Of course, our screenshot that we just did is right at the top, so I'm going to choose that one, and it's basically going to search Google using a JPEG, an image. Instead of you having to type in specific keywords into your search, you're essentially searching the internet for visually similar images as to the one that you're using. And here you go. The first image that popped up is a very similar image. Let's go ahead and open that up. But if we cross-reference this photo here with the photo that we used in our screenshot to search the internet with, you can clearly see that it's the same photo, other than the fact that the photo that we have has added doctored elements to it. Another essential thing you must do here is look at the source of this image result. You want to make sure that the source is a reputable source, and you can even go ahead and visit the website of the source. Check to see if the source has a photograph with a time and a date on it or a description of what's happening in the photo. And then cross-reference that information with the information of the photo being used somewhere else, maybe the one that we're suspicious of in this example, and just see if the information matches up. All right, that's how you do a successful reverse image search. Thanks for watching.